Hey guys, welcome to another video. The purple pair is back, and today we're actually going to be doing a kind of trick on my friend. Maybe a prank, I don't know. But my friend's actually going to be calling soon. He won't know he's going to be recorded. I'm going to record everything he says and post it up on YouTube where you guys can see it. So, I wonder what's going to happen at the end. Remember to watch to the end though. Anyway, so right now I'm just waiting for him to call. I have this is just my home screen. Anyway, I'm waiting for him to call. He's actually getting a Builder Club membership on Roblox. I kept checking his profile to see if he has the Welcome to Builders Club achievement. But he doesn't, so he hasn't done it yet. Plus he would call. But he doesn't know he's going to be recorded, so let's see what his reaction. We're going to be playing a game that we're actually really good at already. I'm already level 4, coming to level 5, and getting a new area. Anyway, but he is not going to know he's getting recorded. So I hope we're going to tell him at the end of the video. I'm going to say, "Here's recording everything since you called." And then let's see what happens at the end. He has no idea. I'm not kidding. Anyway, guys, also, if you did send me a friend request in one of the other videos, then remember to comment on the video you did and leave your username, because I won't know which one is trying to have me and which one's a fan, because if I go over here, I have 42 friend requests. So I don't know which one are fans of the series or which ones are just trying to hack me. So guys, remember to leave a comment on this video saying that you wanted to send me a friend request. Send one, and then remember to leave your username so I know who it is. I will try and respond to all of you guys, but might miss them still. Anyway, I'm just gonna pause the video here, the recording, and then I'm gonna turn it back on when he calls, okay? So, yeah.
I'm making a new account.
Okay, all your progress will be lost, dude.
Well, it has to be that way because no one can remember the password to his existing account.
Okay, unfriended. Anyway. Well, I guess we'll play a game on Roblox after you do this. So, yeah. Okay, guys, they can't hear anything right now that I'm saying, but he just called, I answered, and now he's on the phone, and I am excited to see his reaction at the end. Do it. He's making a new account, so he's gonna refresh that. I'm not. Anyway, let's see what will happen. I'm gonna unmute him so he can hear me again. Don't say anything.
Christopher, I can't hear you.
You can?
Oh, now I can.
Okay.
Maybe you were just mute.
Yeah, maybe I accidentally hit it. Anyway, I guess we'll just wait until you make the new account, and then...
It's done. He's called Ollie Trooper 444.
Okay, can you spell me his name?
O?
Okay.
O-L-L-I-E.
Okay.
T-R.
Wait, is there a space?
No space.
Okay.
T-R-O-O-P-E-R. So O-O-T-R-O-O-P-E-R. Ollie Trooper 444. There we go. You've got Builders Club. Okay.
Are you a bacon man?
Yep.
I just sent you a friend request.
Okay.
Alright, hang on. Let me go on Roblox.
The friends?
And wait.
Log in.
Well, guys, so now I friended him, and now he doesn't actually know that I'm recording, so this is gonna be amazing. We're gonna record this for like 9 more minutes, and then we're gonna tell him and see his reaction. Okay. Okay. Tell me when you accept the friend request.
Okay.
Good friends, good request, and then hit the blue accept.
Big man 455. Okay, we're friends now.
Yeah.
Alright, and you replanted the builders club now.
My thing needs, here it is.
There's this builders club.
So, how do I get into Builders Club?
There is no going into Builders Club, it's just a thing
It's just
that you have.
You get Robux, you got 35 already.
35!
Wait, you got the Turbo Builders Club that cost money? I don't even have the Turbo Builders Club. I get 15 a day. Yeah, Turbo Builders Club. Wow. Okay,
Thank you.
I'm going into a game called Boulder Simulator, so come on,
No,
join
there's
me.
a reason I have it. It was actually pretty easy to get that.
Yeah, let me just put you down somewhere.
Oh, no! No!
And by the way, oh yeah, that could be a problem. But anyway,
Somebody killed me.
oh my
If you
gosh.
see a small blue ball, that's me.
Oh no, this guy's chasing me. He's gonna kill me. Oh no. Please spare me. Please. Oh, got killed. That guy's a big level.
Goodbye. Bye,
Oh, I see you.
Where am I?
Well, I'll just get to you. I see you, but I actually still need to get to you.
I'm at Central Park.
Yeah, I saw you, dude. I saw you rolling around. Now a building's blocking you.
Can you kill this guy?
What level is he? What level is he, dude? Guys, should we tell him? I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna unmute and tell him. Dude, I just wanted to tell you one thing.
Dude, I found your...
Well, dude, I wanted to tell you something. I was recording you this whole time. Dude, I'm not kidding. Guys, tell him. Guys, tell him. Yes, I actually muted on purpose so you wouldn't hear me talking to the audience.
How dare you!
Dude, it was
You
just...
are a traitor!
It was just something to see how you would react. It was a reaction video, pretty much.
I hate you.
Dude, that was just a little thing to see.
You are a dirty abomination. Traitor.
No, I'm not. But dude, okay. I did that, but that's the only time I'm gonna do it. Promise.
Promise, you better.
Promise. Pinky promise. But yes, you are still being recorded. It will happen for about 5 more minutes because
All of
that's...
the audience, they hate you too.
Don't listen to him. It's okay, guys. We'll make it up to him in the next video. Don't
No,
worry.
you won't. You won't. I'm still mad at you, no matter what.
So if I brought you a box of cookies when I come over, you would still be mad?
Nope. If you give me a box of cookies, I'll be so happy.
Yes, I'll try
And
and...
there's a level 8 now.
I cannot kill that guy, just so you know. But yes, I'll...
Okay, I'm a little red ball now. Look great.
I will, bring a little container of cookies to your house when I come over. About maybe 5 cookies in there. That's a decent amount, you know?
We'll split it in half, okay?
Yeah.
And then
I'll allow you to...
we'll have 2 and a quarter. 2 and a half.
Yes. So I'll have
I'll
2
have 2,
cookies.
and
Oh,
you'll have 2, and then we split 1 in half.
yeah, that's good. So I have 2, you have 2, and then we both have half a cookie.
So, dude, I'm level 0. Okay.
How big are you?
I'm white, and I'm like, okay, just try to find me. I'm in Central Park.
I see your name tag. Well, guys, we're gonna be ending in about 4 minutes, but now we know what happens. I will bring a little container of cookies to him. I'll try and record that on my phone. I'll do that, and then I'll post it up on YouTube. This level 18's about to kill me. Anyway, so yeah, that should make it up to him. And then we can continue playing games with him for other videos. So yeah. There you go. We're just going to be recording Boulder Simulator for the rest of this episode, I guess. Anyway, I'm a pretty high level already. I'm really hoping to get to level 5 in this episode. Anyway. In the next episode, it will probably be another gaming video, and then the next one will hopefully be where I make it up to him and give him some cookies. Anyway, it will happen soon, I think.
Dude, meet me in Central Park.
If I could get away from this level 18, I would. This level 18's about to kill me. He's right behind me.
He killed me 3 times.
Wow. Anyway. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be making it up to him from this video by just giving him some cookies. We'll have about 2 cookies and a half to. Yeah. Hey, do you have any effects? Particles? Dude, we have the same skin!
Dude, try to find... Dude, meet me in Central Park.
I'm eating skyscrapers.
Oh, I see you!
Hey, yeah, I'll just kill this little red ball. He's coming to kill you, so I'm gonna kill him. If I can. Oh, and I'm gonna quickly buy 2 times speed so I can catch up with people, okay? This guy's not escaping me now! Oh man, look how fast I am now. Anyway, wow. Dude, I'm about...
If you go first person, it is so easy.
I know, it actually looks really nice. And dude, I'm about to hit level 5 where I can then go to the moon. Guys, you're about to see the moon in this video. The moon area. It's kind of hard to get to. You have to be level 5. And This game, it takes a lot of time. Every time